Hello, my dear ethical hackers. Welcome back. In this video, we are going to set up our virtual lab one by one. In the last video, we saw how we downloaded all the three virtual tools. Let us go to our downloads folder and you will see that our Kali Linux has been downloaded. Our Metasploitable has been downloaded. Our Windows 11 virtual machine also has been downloaded, and our VMware player. Let us start with our VMware player. I'll just double click on the VMware player. We need to set this up first before we do anything else. Now in my case, I've already installed VMware player, so it might just ask me to reinstall it. In your case, you will be asked to install it completely from scratch. The process is pretty much the same. And there you can see, we just click on next. It's a simple, straightforward process. In your case, it's going to be a new installation. In my case, I'm just repairing it just for demo purposes. This is how the installation happens. That's it. I'm clicking on repair. In your case, you'll have to click on next, and that's it. And there, my dear friends, you can see that the installation has been completed successfully. Let's click on finish. It's asking me to restart. No, we do not really need to restart it. During the installation process, you will be asked whether you want to use the professional version or the non-commercial version. Please select the non-commercial version, as this is the version that you will be using. And don't worry, it is absolutely free. You do not have to pay anything for this particular thing. That's all for this video. In the next video, I'll be showing you how you can create a Kali Linux virtual machine.